My love, get over, come on. Nothing can tear us apart, my love. No condition, not any situation can separate us. Ibukemo. Manowo manandu, mamiri nezu. Awona chagodu, odiranye madinjo. Ibukemo, Ibukegio. We are meant to be forever. Love me, you are my love. I'm your love forever. Nothing can separate us.
Ulama! Ulama! Are you mad? Did you not hear me calling you? Do you want to lose my voice? Come here.
See, I'm sorry.
Did you by any means wash my white towel with my pants?
No, Auntie. I washed the towel first, then the underwears.
So why does it have the stains on it?
Auntie, I'm sorry. Maybe it's the chemical in it.
Shut up! And get on your knees.
What do you know about chemicals? What does an illiterate like you know about chemicals? Eh? You are good at fixing your hair. You don't know about chemicals.
Hey, you know what? You wash that towel clean, immaculate white. Else, I will scrape this thing you have on your hair, cook it, and you eat it.
I'm sorry.
Rubbish. Who is your auntie? Who is your auntie? Am I older than you?
I'm sorry.
No, I'm not serious. Am I older than you?
Nothing, I have to come home.
Welcome, happy to see you. How about God seeing you?
No, I have to come from the park straight.
Welcome.
Yeah.
I'm sure by now she'll be rounding up.
Hey, Omale Cham. How are you?
Fine, no, busy day.
So tired. Very bad.
I'm tired. How are you?
We are doing it.
Okay. I left abacha for you because I know you won't have eaten anything today.
For real? Abacha na talk again. Because nyam. Hey.
Uloma. Uloma! What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Didn't you hear me calling you?
What is it, Uche?
This rice is so sticky. How many drums of water did you use to boil this rice? Huh? Oh, you think you are feeding your dogs, right? So you can cook and then whatever you cook we'll eat.
Uche, but there's nothing wrong with this rice.
Dad, this food is overcooked. You will go back into the kitchen. Boil me another rice. I want to see each strand standing.
Okay, ma.
Good. Take this thing out of my sight.
Sorry, ma.
And thank you so much for giving me 3 pieces of meat.
Sorry, ma.
Rubbish. Uloma!
Uche!
Dad? Uloma! Are you mad?
Hey! Annie! Annie! Hey!
Hey!
How are you?
I'm fine.
Wait, you didn't even call me to tell me you are around. You wanted to surprise me. Are you serious?
Okay.
Because somebody you go.
I believe in it.
Bye.
You're welcome. You're welcome, eh? You're welcome.
Wonderful.
Hey! Why did you call me?
I will call.
Angel, I've been meaning to talk to you about your attitude towards Uloma. I think you're rather too harsh on her. Yes, I can understand the fact that as an only child, you're not used to being around people except your late mother and I. But you're a grown woman and you'll get married soon. Then you will have in-laws, you have friends come visit you. You have to adjust.
Dad, I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh yes, you do. And you must stop now.
Dad, I'm not getting married anytime soon. And I still have a lot of time to spend in this house. Are you chasing me already?
You just have to stop.
I love you too.
Yeah, good. Be fine.
Sister.
I don't understand what you're saying. What are you saying? Make me understand, Biko.
Sister, that's life for you.
Go on.
His poor wife and children don't have anything to fall back on. His brothers took everything to the last kobo.
Chedugodi, how many years did you serve this man? Or for 10 years? Yeah, you mean that your 10 years of service life
has gone down the drain. Just like that. Nef.
Nah, sister, I don't know if this thing is his plan for me.
Hey! I can't believe this. So. Yeah. Mado just stolo. Kwatasia naka. Tielo kokaki. Hey.
I don't understand what's wrong with you. Eh? If you continue with this hand, it's going to be very hard for you when you get married. Eh? Why should I have a grown-up person like you in this house? Whenever I come back from work, I should be the one to cook, the one to wash clothes, the one to do everything in this house. Eh? As if I'm living alone. Why I'm living with you? Eh? And the rest, you're the person that has the utmost need in this house. What's wrong with you?
Brother, why are you talking like this? Don't I cook in this house? I cook. Or is it because I'm cooking today? Please, stop comparing me to other girls. We're all wired to function differently.
Oh. You have the mouth to talk when you're going to eat. Okay, don't worry. If you be a plantain and eh? If I finish cooking this, that you won. How about you? That you won.
I will eat.
That is it though. If Annie just spent 10 years without anything, wasting 10 years like that, is it good? Eh? The Oga come and die and left everything. His brothers now came, took everything. They didn't even give all the one boy anything and sent them away like that. Even the madam and the children. They took everything from her. Nothing for her and the children.
Wait, this is not nice. This is really heartbreaking.
It's paining me. How will Ifeanyi that is supposed to have his own shop now, his own market, come and be staying with me in the village? Eh? Big man like that. He have passed school age now.
Okay. As we are talking now, where is he?
He's at home.
Are you trying to say that they left you with nothing? Uncle, not even a transport fare. And that you don't have a savings? Uncle, my master was too good to me and my fellow servants that we don't have any reason to take his money. But Uncle, look at what is happening to me now. I would have listened to my friend UZONDU.
This is nothing but ill luck. I know that man has settled over 50 people that served under him in the past. How come now that it is your turn that he had to die?
Uncle, I'm thinking of this thing myself. Eh?
Anyway, when there's life, there's hope. And there's a saying that when the going gets tough, only the tough gets going. I think I have an opinion of how we can raise some reasonable amount of money for you to start off life again.
Please now, let me know now.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'll work now.
We are doing it.
What of my phone? You don't finish it?
I'm through with your phone. I've been waiting for you since to come and collect it.
Thank you very much. Your money.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Yeah,
bye.
Bye-bye.
So after 10 years, nothing for Ifeanyi at all. That one is not the one that is doing me now. Because the headache that is doing me now, I don't even know how to go about things. How is Mama Biko?
Mama is fine. She's doing good.
Hey.
Oh, she's getting better. Where?
I was on my way to buy drugs, so I decided to stop by and check on you.
I would have come since, so it's just that Ifeanyi just came back, eh? But I made onubu soup this afternoon. Let me make small gari for you so that you will give her.
Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you.
Oh, if I'm aware too.
Oh, brother, you are back.
Yeah.
How did it go?
Just come in, let's go home, okay?
Did it work?
Just come in, let's go.
Okay. Come on, eat. Food is ready.
Food is the least of my problems right now. And my major problem is how I'm going to fix this computer so that I can sort and submit the assignment which brought me to Nigeria. That's my only ticket back to China.
Does it mean Uncle Ato has nothing to do in this situation?
Nothing, my dear. He's a major shareholder in the company, yes. But that doesn't mean when I destroy the company's property, which deprives them of getting major deals, I won't be sacked. It will be a big miss.
Wow, for these Oyibo people and their strict measure. But don't worry yourself too much. I will take the laptop to Honora's shop tomorrow, okay? So share up.
Who's Honora?
He's a gadget repairer. His shop is not far from the square. Oh, relax.
Are you kidding me?
Ha! Honora can do something about it, okay?
Like, seriously? I'm talking about a gadget which the major electronics specialist in the city have all said they cannot repair. They said it's beyond repair. And you're telling me about one village gadget repairer. Oh, please. I don't know what mess I've gotten myself into. I want to fix this now. That's the only way I can go back to China.
It's time to take drugs.
Mba. That is not a good area at all. Cha. Mba.
Sister, what do you want me to do? You want me to stay in this village, smoking and drinking up and down? Maybe one day impregnate one girl that you will go and marry her for me because I don't have money.
Ifeanyi, why are you sounding like this now? Don't talk like this.
Sister, support me. Support me. You know you are not only my sister, but my friend. If we sell this land, we'll make money from it, then I can buy land everywhere in the city and in this village.
Even if you decide to sell the land, what do we know about selling land in this village?
Sister, Uncle Basha promised to help us. He promised he will help me. He will help us do that.
Just listen. Listen. You're not listening. Babes, do we have to argue all the time? I know, but at least I'm trying. Just hold on. Ulama! Ulama! Hello? Did you say something? Yeah, it's my maid. I don't know where that stupid girl is. I need her to get me water. It's past 12. Are you kidding me? She's my maid. Her duty is to attend to every of my need. Excuse me? Are you expecting me to go get the water myself? I am your wife-to-be, and not your maid or your kid. Don't talk to me like that. I don't like it. Don't you even raise your voice at me. I don't like it when you scream at me. Stop screaming! Damn! Ulama!
Annie,
Sister,
you are back.
welcome. You've not gone for market?
No, I'm almost ready. It's just cutting the lady.
How did it go? Fine, fine. Sister, do you know that she gave all of us 100,000 each?
Hey! 100,000 or 10,000?
100.
Are you serious? Hey! She gave you and your fellow one boys 100,000. Hey, that woman has a good heart too.
Yes,
the God of the orphans will always answer her when she calls.
Amen. Oh, amen.
Amen. Hey, Wanya Wukezibo Mado. Hey.
Sister, that reminds me. On my way home, I passed Honora's shop and noticed that Honora has fixed my phone.
That same phone I was in the bathing water for like how many hours?
Onny! Onny, babe, Onny is making my head to pop. Please, where is that 100,000?
The 100,000.
There, don't worry now. Cool down.
I want to hear stories. Are you sure you want to buy a bag? Okay, good. How much more?
Mommy, you know what I want now? Eh?
Oga Peter, please. Call me my name. My name is OJUKWU, not Mommy Mo. Call me Ogo.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. But you know how much I love you. I'm dying just to call you my own. Give me a chance in your life and I'll turn this around.
Abate Gone.
See, if you give me a chance, I can take care of you more than Onora. That electric woman. I can do more of that. I don't mean it's a harmless appeal.
Atahango, because you have refused to hear. How many times have I told you that I'm engaged to be married? You never nakogini, disturbing my morning markets.
Give me a chance.
Akwifugo, Ifulia.
Oh, love, wow.
I'm a man. Lover.
My brother's laptop. It contains an important document, and this is what brought him back to Nigeria. He said the laptop fell off his hand and has refused to come on since then. He has taken it to so many places and they said it's beyond repair. Please, brother Nora, check if it's true, please.
Beyond repair?
Yes, that's what they say.
Please, brother Nora.
I'm really counting on your expertise. Please.
Are you with each other? It's okay.
Sister, I am made. I am made for life.
Go to a case made. You are made for life. So the people that go to that abroad, they pluck money from trees. I don't understand you because the ones that I know that go to the abroad, they spend some time there to settle down, make money, and start to send to people down here.
Sister, this one not for this business now. This one a sharp movement. When I gather all the money, and I take it to the agent.
Agent?
No.
Go back ever. Agent? Yeah. Are you sure it's not 419?
Bah, sister, no. I don't know these guys. Since that day.
Who is this your guy?
UZONDU now. UZONDU, my friend, sister. UZONDU now, he get all the connects. Hey.
Okay. I will think about it.
Yeah.
Then maybe you follow me to go and see Uncle Masha. Kanjukwa, you said you took the 100,000 naira your madam gave you to give to the agent. For what?
Sister, for my passport and documents now.
Hey! 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. Not 10,000, no. 100,000 naira. You gave somebody for passport and documents. How much will they not charge you for aeroplane?
Sister, it's big. Oh. Sister, it's big. But I got feel believe him. I got cool down.
Chikwanya ne na this passport owner. Go seba. Get out, Zuzu Pueba.
It's a good plan. Come on, it's a good plan.
I know it's a good plan. If he does not have any handwork, no craft that he's good at, and nothing to sustain him when he gets there.
My dear, let me tell you something. There's a lot to do over there. A lot to do. And come on.
Kill.
Hey. Are you telling me over the phone about the gamer?
Onya, forget him. Just doesn't have sense. What else? What else is there to say about him? I don't even know if I'm going to call him a drunkard or not.
Mama, Biko, just hold yourself. Hold yourself for me. Hold yourself for me. Hold yourself. Mama, why you? Mama, you did. Just hold on, eh? You can look for taxi. You'll be fine.
How is my angel doing? Angel, I understand you've been starving yourself.
Ben is not picking my calls.
Is that why you want to starve yourself to death? If you don't mind, I will talk to him.
You will?
Yeah. But first things first, you have to get yourself something to eat before you go to bed. Okay?
I'll come later.
No. Now, I don't want to give you this condition. Come on.
Brother? You're still working?
I have a deadline to fix this. So don't worry, I'll soon come inside, okay?
Okay. Take it easy, eh?
Yes, I quite understand. But please, you have to look for a way to settle this whole drama with her. Yes, I know. But please try and call her back. She's been through a lot these past days. Oh, that would be nice of you. Okay. Sure, I will. All right. Yeah, take care.
Seriously, I need more time to work on that laptop.
Yeah, I know, but the pressure from his office in China is too much. Seriously, this whole thing is affecting my brother now.
But we are still saying the same thing. You need to believe me. I didn't just sleep last night because I was working on that same laptop.
Though I count on you, brother, but you still need to be fast. This thing is affecting my brother now, please. Oh, thank you very much.
Jude, this is the most stupid excuse I have ever heard. How could you allow a taxi driver lay hands on your computer? Something that holds your future. How? To the extent that he even damaged it.
Uncle, I'm sorry, Uncle. I didn't even realize he was carrying the system until he fell with it.
Listen to your stupid reasoning. You didn't even notice he had his hands on the computer until he fell with it. Meaning that if he had stolen the computer, you would not have known until you wanted to submit your proposal. I'm disappointed in you. That was stupid of you. Disappointed in you. Sorry, sir.
What do I do now? What do I do?
It's just a laptop that got spoiled too. Nobody died. You didn't lose someone. Why are you so moody?
Uche, you won't understand. Those guys will feel I've sold their idea to some other rival company. How do I fix this now?
You didn't. And you know it. So calm down.
Just calm down. What are you saying? Oh, talk. Are you serious?
Of course I am. I've been saving for a long time now for this. And I think I have a reasonable thing to come and do some necessary thing and collect the list.
You're coming to collect list? For me? So, that Oga Peter will not be doing me any and telling me he's one cake of palm wine.
Yeah, this is your Oga Peter again. Eh?
Oh.
So that's it. That's it. That's it.
I wouldn't let her be
They have even, oh yes, they are even ready to pay immediately.
Hey!
Hey! Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, thank God, though. This is good news.
Yes.
Hey!
But first, I want to ask. I want to find out if you have really planned how you are going to utilize that money.
Uncle. Me and my sister have decided I'll use it to go to Obodo. And I'll
You
start up a new life.
You don't mean it?
In the abroad, yes. Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you. How are you?
Did you succeed?
I tried my best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Go.
If I want to sit and hide your voice, what is it?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. Now stop playing with me. They can't repair my laptop anymore. My laptop is unfixable.
Yes, I did.
You fixed it?
Yeah.
You fixed it?
No, for real life.
For real?
Check it now.
Oh, thank you very much. Come on, you fixed it! Ah! You fixed it! Oh, well, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Guy, in fact, you drink?
Yes, I do.
You drink?
Yeah.
What do you drink?
I like it.
If I call you, you drink anything. Come on, drink anything. Ah, you fixed it! Oh, you know, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Guy, come on, you can. You're safe.
Really? Yeah. When, please? This weekend. Hey. I'm happy for you, my friend. Me, I'm happy for myself too.
Thank God.
Good news number 2. Your 5 and 6. And yes, will soon be relocating to the abroad.
That's good news. When?
I don't know, but we are looking at 2 weeks' time so that the money and everything he needs to go will be complete. Remember that 100,000 naira his madam gave him? He gave it to his friend to help him arrange his passport and documents that he will use to travel.
Passport for 100,000 naira. Wait to my friend. Is it not the same passport we took at our floor market for 250 naira?
Hi, you are even bushier than I am. You are bushier than I am. That passport is passport photograph, not the passport we are talking about. This one we are talking about is international passport. It's like book. You have paper inside. They will put document. That somebody will use to go to the abroad.
Annie! How would I know my friends?
Like, don't go and be saying it out. So that they won't
Passport international.
Yeah.
On Sunday or Wendy, on your name we are webe. I don't care what people are saying. Anything you want, just say it, my love. I will do it for you.
Bianwokem, Wuchanti, listen to me. Let me warn you now. That I laugh at your stupidity. I still have my limit. All this nonsense, all this rubbish you're doing, do it from a distance. Don't ever come close to my shop anymore. Because next time, it won't be funny.
Or you will do what? Or you will do what? See, you cannot do more than a dead rat. Yes! Let me warn you. As far as you continue to deceive my wife in this village, I will not stop harassing you. Who do you think you are? I'm not over there.
I'm warning you, you're warning me.
What can you do? You cannot do anything.
Okay.
No, but why would you say that? Is he not your uncle?
Honestly, that man is very difficult.
But I don't think so. You need to see the way he reacts when I scold the maid.
Don't even go there, because I know you.
What do you mean by you know me?
You are Margaret Thatcher, of course.
So now you're saying I'm wicked.
No.
No, like I'm tough.
That's
Is
not
that,
what,
you know, that's what you're saying.
that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying at times just be soft with her, you know.
Oh, I should be soft with her. I should don't have eyes for my maid.
Me?
Yes, you. What do you mean soft? Of all words to use soft?
Oh, anyway, I'm just happy I fixed my system. That's all. I'm just very happy.
No, we are not changing this subject. Why would you say I should be soft on her? We are not changing.
Come on, that made me.
Oh, man.
No, you're not too big for that now.
Why don't I believe you?
I don't do local fouls.
My people, I greet you.
Thank you.
Once again, I say welcome. According to tradition, this is introduction. And I promise to meet with my kinsmen who will give me a list that I will pass on to you through Ogo in a week's time.
Thank you.
Once again, I say welcome.
Thank you very much.
Be fine. Please, get the drinks. Serve them, let us make merry.
Go. Truly, man. Honestly, you don't know what you've done for me. But someday, when you make money and travel abroad, you get a good house, a fantastic salary stroke allowance, and something as small as a laptop threatens that, you will understand what you've done for me.
I understand you perfectly.
You know what? I could fix something really cool for you. My company over there in China is doing a random search for computer engineers. If you have a certificate, I can fix you. Yeah.
How? I don't even know anyone in China. In fact, I don't even know anybody in Lagos talk more of China.
My friend, you really don't need to know anybody in China. Provided you've known me, you don't need anyone else. All you need is to have your money. Tell me you're ready to travel. I'll take you to China. You get a good job. You can actually stay in my house for a while until you settle in. Let me tell you something. With this your skill, you can take over China. You're very good at what you do. You can own China. You can rule China. Just think about it. Okay? Look for some money and let me know.
Very soon, Keta, you will turn to Americana.
It's not America, it's China.
Are they not the same thing? As long as you leave this village, enter aeroplane and fly away.
They are not the same thing. In America they say, hey yo, I wanna gonna. But in China you'll be hearing ching chong, ching panyo. You understand? So that's why I don't know if money permits or may go dim
Money will come. Even if it means me selling everything I have, so that you go, you must go, and the money must come.
You see why I like you so much? Eh? See, you're my backbone, and I know that you always be there for me, whether you sell or not. I know you always be there for me. Eh?
I don't want to go to China. I want to go to America. I want your.
The one I cherish. Oh, Sunday, Wendy. On your name, we are webe. I don't care what people are saying. Anything you want, just say it, my love. I will do it for you. Forever is a love. My one and only
What? Hey!
Yeah? What? Okay, I'm coming.
What's happening to me now? What's happening to us now? What will I do? Where will I stand? Somebody wake me up from this dream. It's so terrible. It's unbelievable. And ONYEBUCHI, UCHE, what's why me? Why this? Why? It's happening to what me. Is happening to me? Why? What did I do? Why, Lord? Where have I gone wrong? Why? It's happening to me. He who does good, good comes back to him. He who does bad, bad comes back to him. Why he sees my own case so different? Nkemodiche, Oziaha.
Yeah. My angel. What's the cause of this happiness?
Then called.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I'm glad you're happy at last.
Of course I'm happy.
Glad.
But that's not just it.
Really?
Yes. He asked me to come over.
Really?
Yes.
When?
As soon as I can fly.
Oh! That's my angel. Yeah? Ooh. That's nice. Nemo, please boil some water for her to take her bath.
What's happening to me now? What's happening to us now? What will I do? Where will I stand? Somebody wake me up from this dream. It's so terrible.
It's a lie.
Eh?
Ifeanyi. Sister.
Ifeanyi.
Sister.
It's again.
Sister, my 100,000.
Hey! I knew it.
Sister, do you know when I went to UZONDU's house? I saw some boys crying and I asked one guy what's the problem. He told me that UZONDU duped everybody. Sister, I would have killed myself.
You see, I told you there was something about that organization. My spirit did not have peace about that boy. Now you want to kill yourself because of 100,000 naira. Hey! Hey!
Wait, Chelugune. Are you trying to tell me that your friend and the agent were gathering money for themselves to travel to abroad, not even you?
Ifugoniano! He is now helpless. 10 years of service gone down the drain. The 100,000 naira we're hoping on, gone. Hey!
Chelugune, that's 100,000. Oh my God.
Hey! Why are you sleeping? Sleeping on duties. Eh? How are you? I know.
Are you?
I'm fine. Ndo, how are you? Ndo?
What's brought you to my shop?
Your lunch. You know that now that I don't sell abacha again, for you to eat now will be God knows well. So,
thank you very much.
Bulu. You didn't even say thank you.
Wait now, come here. See, you're such a gift from God. And I appreciate you. And thank you very much.
Eat your food, Biko. Eat your food. Give me money. Let me go and buy pure water for you.
Is it apple again?
Open it first. My dear, I know how you feel because I have been there before. It's not a good place at all. But all I want to tell you is to be strong. Jido bigaka. Oh, you will. It's just a phase. Oh,
I'll miss her. This compound be so lonely without her.
I know. But that is why I also made arrangements for you to come to the house and stay with us, at least for now. When you wake up in the morning, you will see someone to talk to. I'm there. Ifeanyi is there. Oh, at least just for this period. Oh,
I don't want to inconvenience.
Who is talking about inconveniencing who here? If you are going to inconvenience me, will I make arrangements for you to come and stay? Biko, go and pack your bag, Biko. Inconvenience, go. Me that I'm looking for somebody to come and be gisting with. Je kota akai.
Brother, what are you doing outside this late? It's not like you're working or anything.
Chichu, as you can see, I just want to receive some fresh breeze.
Hey, fresh air? When you have a big fan in your room.
Can't you feel this air? Is it not fresh? This kind of breeze is what I want now.
Brother, I don't buy this your fresh breeze excuse. But all the same, please now, come inside, let's go and sleep. It's late already. Brother? Biko.
Just allow me.
Brother, come inside now, Biko.
But Ifeanyi, you said he's your in-law. Your in-law here is a computer engineer. A very talented one at that. If he goes to China, he's going to succeed quickly. But you on the other hand, if you go to China, it's going to take you a lot of time for you to succeed. So I advise you, allow him go to China first. It makes money and it's going to bring you over. That's the smartest decision you could make. Think about it. Out there, people with talent easily succeed. But those without talent, they find it difficult to make it on time. I'm just advising you anyway. So, just think about it.
I'm worried though. I don't know what the problem is, but all I can say is that for weeks now, he has not been sleeping well. And it's beginning to tell on him.
Me, I noticed it too. And I asked him. He said there's nothing wrong, that he's okay, Customers are now beginning to complain. He's losing appointments. Because he's sleeping or he's thinking.
Hey, why won't he sleep? When he's busy thinking all night. Thinking.
Are you sure it's not because of that in their abroad travel?
Travel?
Abroad.
Hey, it's possible though.
I don't know why else you'll be thinking.
Daddy, I promise I will call you every single day, every minute if you want me to.
I know, but I will still miss you. You know you're all I've got, and I love you. Your presence gives me succor.
I love you too.
Oh, it's as if tomorrow shouldn't come.
Hey, don't say that, please. Tomorrow should come. Oh. Besides, Masters, it takes less than a year. In no time, I'll be back.
Yeah, but I miss you.
I miss you too.
It's okay. My baby.
Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Brother, you won't deceive me again. Now I know the reason for your sleepless nights. China or no China, you're my only brother. And I want you to be okay. See here, I have cooked a very delicious meal for you. I know you like it.
Chichu, you prepared delicious meal for me. You, when do you start cooking for me?
Brother.
You that I know.
I used to cook for you, you know it.
Wait, let's continue to what we're going to, When I come back, I will eat.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will.
Are you sure you will eat the food? You should go.
Yes. Let's go.
Are you seriously relaxing? Yes, now. Ifeanyi is my only brother, and I know he loves me very much.
Don't turn that love into hate. Don't make him feel you're choosing another man over him.
I'm not choosing anybody over him. You don't know how we're talking about here. You know I love him very much as well.
I think you should not put your mouth in this issue. You should allow it be. If Annie wants to send Honor to abroad with the money he got selling his only land, you should allow him make that choice. Please, let him make it. Don't decide for him.
Sister, Gwakodi Mezioku, what do you want me to do?
Do this for me, Obiko. Take this risk. Let Onwa go first. And I promise you after 1 year, he will come back for you, Obiko.
Sister, I will do anything for you. But this one is very difficult for me.
I know, but we have been through worse times together. And we have always come out better. Please, just do this for me as your sister. Is it too hard for you to do for your own blood sister? Bikon, just do this for me and I promise you all will be well. Oh? In life, you live and die for what you believe, because they're worth the sacrifice, and because you trust in them solely. But in your case, I do not only believe in you, I trust you. I trust and believe in the love we share, and I know that you feel the same way for me too.
My love, I've never heard you sound like this before. So what's going on?
Ifeanyi is my only sibling and I love him very much. But with you, I just can't explain it. It's extraordinary.
And you know I love you too.
And that is why I've been able to convince Annie to support you in your trip to the abroad, so that when you get there and settle down and start to make money, you will come back and make us happy. You will come back for him.
My brother, I don't really know where to start. But all I can assure you is that you will never regret this. For real, you will never regret this. I will always in this life be indebted to you. Thank you.
I don't have anything to say, eh? My sister, she trusts you and I trust her too, so I believe everything is okay.
I swear you have nothing to do with that.
I don't. Fine. Annie was already contemplating. So what I did was to encourage him to sow a good seed, which we will reap tomorrow.
I'm sorry, Father, if I don't agree in your faith. At least you know my story. You know what happened to me.
Okay? Was. And will always remain an idiot. That one we know. But that I keep telling you that your own man will come.
Amen. I pray so. Amen.
See, Ifeanyi, I like people like you that make smart decisions. What you just did is a lifetime investment. That each time you come to China, you gain from it. You live like a prince. Because people like your in-law here, good engineers like this, are kings in China. You benefit.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to see that.
Sure, man. Not to worry. So, dude, how's the preparation coming? Are you ready to travel?
I've been ready ever since. I can't wait.
Not to worry. I understand. You will take over the world. With what I've seen in you, you're going to rule China. You end up teaching the Chinese how to fix system, how to even build system. You're good. Drink up, guys. Drink up.
Love me, if unanya mo. Love me, if unanya me.
Let's not push it.
The one I cherish. On Sunday, Wendy, on your name, we are webbing. I don't care what people are saying.
Stop doing your bush boy.
Anything you want, just say it, my love. I will do it for you. Forever is a love world. Oh, has bound us together. Has brought us together. Love has bound us together. My one and only. Lead us. Love me. Oh, your name, where you will be. Ichokwa abacha mete. Akwa munagi. My love. Ito bukamo.
The man that will take him said that he should try and learn small computer so that it will help him when he gets to China.
China kwa? I thought it was Malaysia.
Yeah, no. There's a change in plan.
Where is that Ifeanyi? Ifeanyi! Ogo, are you alright?
Ogo, you're my friend. I know what you've been through with my brother. There's something I need to tell you. If I don't say it, my conscience will not let me. You see that girl inside, UCHE? She's pregnant for my brother.
Hey!
What?
Ogo? What is it? What happened? Ogo?